Good morning, everyone. Welcome back to the vlog. Happy birthday if today's your birthday, and welcome back to Los Angeles. It's actually pretty funny and crazy that this is my first vlog back in LA because I've been back for a while. Hello. Very glad to be back though.
Miss Molly Cat, welcome back to the vlog. Yes, you're in your favorite spot on the couch. You're in your favorite spot. Oh, such a good girl. Let's get the window open for you, shall we? Oh, look at this sweet little face here. No, so many kisses this morning. Okay, all right. It's funny, since daylight savings kicked in, the sun doesn't come in the living room quite as early, and so Molly just sits here and waits patiently for it to start coming through. Washed my hair this morning. It was actually my first time washing since my new cut, because I washed it right before my hair got cut. That was a fun little experiment. I'm excited to see how it dries this time with all of my proper hair products and all of that in place. So unfortunately today is Monday, which is such a bummer. There's nothing worse than Mondays to me. But luckily I don't think it's going to be too crazy of a day. I do need to get started on editing a vlog and getting to some emails and stuff like that, but I don't think it's going to be too overwhelming. Okay, I thought this would be fun to do because my hair is pretty much totally dried now. I think it is. So this is after I put product in my hair, and you can sort of see down here, that's pretty much all curls. I think there's a tiny bit of straight hair right at the bottom, but not enough that you can even tell. Molly, okay, just move along, please. Even in the back here, there really is not much. It's really just these front pieces here that still have a bit of straight hair going. Okay, Molly, stop that. Stop doing that. That is so annoying. For it to just sort of dry naturally like this, pretty happy with that, not gonna lie. Very easy to just pull those bits back. I think what I'll do is braid this sort of front part of my hair and just pull it back. That way it just has a little bit more blend for these front parts here. But those are really the only parts of my hair that need it, which is so crazy that we're approaching this time in my life. So I think we'll see how that does. I'm a little worried that these ends will look super straight, but that happened last time and I just sort of blended it in and then it worked better, but pretty pleased with the progress we're making here. Someone is feeling very cozy here, clearly. Molly Cat, I'm talking to you. She's like, I know, leave me alone. Oh, that was fast. You want those snuggles? Or are you being grumpy? I can't tell. I'm working on editing a New Jersey vlog and I am just drooling over this Wawa sandwich. I want it so badly. Connor and I made pad thai last night, so I'm having some leftovers of that, which I'm very excited about. Going to be the perfect little lunch here. Going back in for seconds because it's just that damn good. I'll try to remember to link the recipe we used down below, but it's just the hot for food pad thai recipe. It is so amazing. It just tastes 10 out of 10. So good. Get some sesame seeds on there. So good. Time to eat again. So it is 3:45 right now, and I want to talk to you guys about sort of next steps in what is going to happen with my merch. So if you missed it a couple weeks ago, I asked you to fill out a survey just about, merch, general questions, colors that you liked, words that you liked, stuff like that. And with that information, I put together quite a few different design ideas, examples. I don't even know which is my favorite, to be honest, but I want to show you a bunch of them, get some feedback, and then from there, I think we're going to pick a final design. So I'm gonna have a survey for you guys where you can let me know which is your favorite and why it's your favorite, and we can sort of take it from there. But I do want to show you all the designs here and talk to you about them a little bit, so let me pull up my photos of them. So obviously I just have mock-ups of a couple different ideas that I had. Okay, so I'm gonna start us off with this design here. This was one of my initial ideas, like even before I fully went into the survey process and like digging into all of your answers, was something along these lines. I really connect with both these words, empathy and compassion. It's two things that I always try to bring into my daily life, which is sort of the theme of what this merch is. I guess it sort of was already with my Optimist merch, but okay, sticking with the navy crew neck theme, this is my second design and actually something on the front and the back. So the front looks like this, has a cute little smiley face on it, and on the back I have written, "This is your sign that happiness is right around the corner, hold on." I really dig this. I think it's pretty cool. A secondary idea that I had for some writing on the back of this shirt was this. If you've been looking for a sign, this is it. Thought that was sort of cute too. It still had the same little smiley face on the front, I think. But if you guys have any ideas for other things that should maybe be written on the back of this, I would love to hear it. You can either leave a comment down below, or I'm gonna have options for that in the survey as well. And then there's this third option that I really like, but I have been struggling with what exactly I want it to say. So again, I'm looking for your help. I have quite a few different options. So this was sort of the original design. I like this hoodie in a maroon. This is a hoodie rather than a crew neck, and it says, "What is coming will be better." That was sort of the original thing, and then I started playing around with a lot of different phrases, so I'm just gonna sort of run through them with you guys so you can get an idea of where I was going. This one says, "Good things are coming," "We are all human," "There is happiness to be found," and then "Patience over perfection." I actually really like that one a lot as well. So those are some of the options that I had. Again, if you have an idea for a phrase or something that you're like, oh my god, that would be perfect for this, would love to hear it, would love to hear your opinion. Gonna have that survey linked down below. Feel free to leave me feedback in the comments, but like when I'm actually making a final decision, I'm really gonna be looking mostly at the survey because it's just nice to have it all compiled sort of in one place there. But I'm really excited about these, you know, next couple designs. The Optimist merch campaign is officially over now, and there's no plans as of right now to bring it back. So thank you to everyone who purchased it in either the first or second round. I seriously appreciate it, and I'm really excited to sort of continue on this fun little merch journey we've been going on together this year. It's been really fun, honestly. It's just fun also designing sort of like loungy wear type things. I always thought if I were to ever have a clothing line, it would just be pajamas because I love pajamas so much. Look at this little cutie here. You like snuggles with mom? I love snuggles with baby. Oh, yeah, hi. Oh, okay, you want me to get under your chin? All right, I can do that. It's the next day, guys. Hello. And Connor and I just got groceries. A lot of the basics, honestly. I don't even feel like I should do a haul. Oh, but I am very excited about this new addition. I got some gochujang sauce inspired by Jen M, who always uses this in so many of her recipes. I love her recipes.
She's got the best facial reactions to when she's eating food. She's got the exact same one where it's like a surprise, like, yeah, exactly. It's so good.
So you know what I look.
What is the issue, Money Cat?
Try a little tasty of this.
Ooh, that's spicy. Whew.
All right. Let's see, is there anything else weird on there we got? I don't think so.
I don't think you got enough turkey.
Got a pound of it.
Fuck yeah.
Get your booty down.
Molly,
off of this.
it's a turkey, right?
Are you seriously batting at my hand?
Get her, Molly.
I got crescent rolls also to make in the air fryer. I mean, this smells so good.
Get in there.
Mmm.
Yeah, keep calling me crazy. See where that goes.
Is that a threat?
No.
Mmm.
Poison test?
Oh, goldfish are
I do agree.
This is crazy.
Making some sandwiches for lunch.
Yummy
I'm
yum.
excited. What do you want?
The noises.
You want turkey?
How many slices did you use?
2.
Perfect.
You want this? Is turkey your favorite snack? Yes. Come on. Oh, yeah, okay.
Oh, yeah. That was a good action shot.
Good.
Ooh, taste fast. Are you gonna toast?
No.
No? Well then, wrong.
Alright. Whatever.
Lunch was delish, sandwich was very good, and now, I honestly don't have that much left to do this afternoon. So I'm gonna like obviously stay on top of things and make sure that like nothing's getting missed, no emails or anything. But other than that, there's really not much for me to do. So I'm gonna take advantage of a little bit of a lighter day because I don't have them all that often and play a little Sims. I also think I'm gonna put on the Billie Eilish documentary because that just sounds good. Hi, cutie pie. Look at this little kitty cat. Right on the laptop, of course. Her favorite place to sit. Okay, guys, it is about 6:30 now, and I'm just waiting for my Uber because I'm heading over to Vic's. We are going to get some tacos, and also, oh, there's my Uber. We're also gonna watch The Vampire Diaries because Victoria's never seen it before, so we're gonna watch a few episodes tonight, which should be very fun. Little girls' night, me, Vic, and Kate. Hi, for Jill. Yes. Thank you so much. Okay, we got the taco goods with Vic and Kate here.
I'm so excited. The whole weight of my body.
We also already finished an entire bottle of wine, so that's done.
Yeah.
That's over. What kind did you get? Sweet potato?
Sweet potato. I think those are the sweet potato.
I am loving. All right, we got the tacos. We have street corn, which I am here for. Guacamole. And the pilot episode of Vampire Diaries. Excellent.
Teeth and tacos.
Teeth and tacos. Okay guys, made it back home. Sorry if I'm whispering. Connor is sleeping in the other room. He was already asleep when I got back. So I'm just gonna chill here on the couch for a couple of minutes and watch some random YouTube videos. Right now I'm watching one of those Go to Bed With Me's. I love them. And head off to bed. So thank you guys for watching today. I hope you guys enjoyed it. And I'll see you in the next one.